Do you feel stressed about money? You are not alone. In today's environment, finances can be a significant hardship. But what if you could prevent typical financial mistakes? We'll look at hidden dangers and demonstrate how to avoid them. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we help individuals learn about money, personal finance, and investing. If you want to be financially and worry-free, subscribe to the channel and like the videos you find useful. Number 1. Spending problem. You might be surprised to learn that most people have a spending problem rather than an income problem. We're constantly bombarded with images of opulent celebrity lifestyles, which make us feel as if we need expensive items to fit in. These images promote unreasonable expectations and pressure to purchase luxury products such as high-end shoes, designer outfits, showy cars, and cutting-edge technologies. However, true millionaires frequently live below their means, save diligently, and invest smartly. They put financial security over displaying their affluence. Surprisingly, some high-income earners become bankrupt because they overspend to keep up appearances. It is not about how much you earn, but how much you spend. Number 2, the hope strategy. Using hope as a financial strategy is dangerous. Many people overspend because they believe they will strike it rich quickly, particularly young business owners who dream of quick success. They picture scoring the jackpot, winning the lottery, or seeing their business grow overnight. It's tempting to spend as if future riches is inevitable, but doing so gives you a false sense of security and can ultimately lead to financial catastrophe. It is doubtful that you will get wealthy overnight unless you take huge risks. It is critical to be realistic and focus on sustainable financial strategies rather than relying on luck or future windfalls. Number 3, not planning for medium-term expenses. Planning isn't limited to monthly bills. Consider saving for anticipated expenses such as vacations, car repairs, and other large purchases that occur on a regular basis. Thinking ahead can help you avoid financial stress later in the year. Many people fail to budget for these midterm expenses, resulting in uneven debt or financial stress. For example, budgeting for Christmas spending as early as August can alleviate financial stress over the holiday season. Similarly, laying aside money for car maintenance helps keep unexpected repair expenditures from ruining your budget. Plan your spending to improve money management and minimize budget surprises. Number 4, holding cash. Leaving money in a bank reduces purchasing power owing to inflation. Saving is crucial, but investing, such as in index funds, helps to counteract inflation and expand your wealth over time through compound interest. Imagine your money working for you rather than just resting there. Before 1971, the US dollar was tied to the gold standard, which meant that its value was guaranteed by the country's gold reserves. However, with the transition to fiat money, inflation became a reality, diminishing the value of currency over time. As a result, merely retaining cash reduces purchasing power on an annual basis. To obtain financial security, invest your savings in vehicles that outperform inflation. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Number 5, investing before paying debt. It's tempting to invest early, but high-interest debt, such as credit cards, increases quicker than other investments. To avoid losing money, prioritize debt repayment over investment. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt with rates of around 20%, can easily spiral out of control if not addressed immediately. Once your debts are under control, you'll be able to put more money into long-term investments. Assume you invest some money and it increases at an 8% yearly rate, while your credit card debt grows at 20% per year. The debt exceeds your investment earnings, resulting in a net loss. Thus, paying off high-interest debt should be your top goal. Number 6, not saving for emergencies. Creating an emergency fund switches your focus from short-term solutions to long-term financial planning. Savings serve as a safety net, allowing you to focus on long-term goals such as retirement planning. Start small and steadily increase your savings to ensure you're ready for unforeseen needs. An emergency fund serves as a safety net against unexpected financial obstacles, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or needed house repairs. Setting away a few months' worth of living expenses can help you minimize stress and prevent depleting your investments or incurring debt during a crisis. Number 7, not learning about investing. Fear frequently hinders people from investing. Educate yourself to overcome this obstacle and make sound financial decisions. Investing does not have to be complicated. There are resources and specialists available to assist you in successfully navigating the world of investments. Many people avoid investing because they are afraid of losing money or do not understand how financial markets operate. However, with the proper knowledge and assistance, you can make informed investment decisions that are consistent with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Learning about investing is similar to learning to ski. It may be frightening at first, but with experience and understanding, you can successfully negotiate the financial slopes. Books such as Tony Robbins' Unshakable might provide useful ideas, and seeing a financial consultant can help you adjust investment techniques to your specific position. Understanding typical money mistakes and how to prevent them will help you manage your financial journey more effectively. Begin making little changes now to ensure a secure future tomorrow. Remember that financial freedom is attainable with the appropriate information and habits. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?